In 1986, Toyota was already a name trusted around the world, known for reliability, strength, and innovation. From the timeless Corolla to the powerful Land Cruiser, Toyota became more than a brand. It became a legacy. Show Toyota cars from 1986 to 1990s. As the years moved forward, Toyota transformed its design and technology, giving birth to legends like the Supra and Celica, redefining performance and style. Transition to 2000s cars. In the early 2000s, Toyota introduced a new revolution, the hybrid era. The Prius changed the game forever, showing the world that power and sustainability can go hand in hand. Show Prius hybrid lineup. By 2020, Toyota embraced cutting-edge innovation, electric mobility, AI integration, and advanced safety. The brand continued to lead the road toward a smarter, cleaner future. Show modern EVs, concept cars, and now, as we look ahead to 2040, Toyota envisions a world powered by zero emissions, autonomous driving, and intelligent design. Cars that not only move people, but also inspire the world. From 1986 to 2040, this is more than a journey of cars. It's the story of progress, passion, and the pursuit of perfection. This is Toyota between 2010 and 2025. Toyota combined digital intelligence with design. Cars became smarter, featuring AI safety, touch screens, and hybrid powertrains. Visuals: Corolla Cross, our EV4 hybrid, Camry hybrid, futuristic dashboards, safety sensors with fully electric and autonomous vehicles. Toyota aims to create cars that communicate, drive themselves, and protect the environment.